Like our family's big why is to be wealthy, to use all your God-given talent so you can be a blessing to others. So mas masarap yung feeling pag you start to flow out na eh. It's easier to live that way na parang okay, I'm gonna do better so I can be a blessing to less fortunate people. Hindi na yung I wanna buy a better car, I wanna buy a nicer watch, you know. That's gonna be hard for you. If you want a banner year 2020, you have to start your year not January, but November 2019.
How about for people who this year's just really, really bad? They lost money in their business, either naloko sila or their girlfriend left them. It's just really a bad year. Things are not going their way, or they're working hard, they're working even harder, they're working 10, 11, 12 hours already, but the results are not coming. What do you suggest?
A lot of people, they lower their goals. They lower their goals. Because what? What is the root of that? Because you don't want to fail. But you know, I tell you, if you can design yourself to accept failure, then you're gonna be more successful.
If you are having a bad year or if you are having a great year, how can you make your 2020 amazing? How can you propel yourself to the next level? In this video, Carl D will share his secrets on why his years just keep getting better and better and better. So check this video out.
Guys, catch us. We will be in SM Davao on November 30. So before Christmas comes, no? November 30, one day event wherein there are gonna be 6, 7, 8 speakers. You just have to sit down and absorb. You don't have to, mahirap magbasa ng 8 books in one time. Ito, makikinig ka lang. So take this opportunity. I'm gonna be there with Marvin, Randall, sino pa ba?
Rex Mendoza,
Wow.
Ana Quisha. We will have around 10 speakers. Actually, hindi
Oh,
lang
wow.
8, 9, 10 speakers talking about different investments. So, Icon 2019 Davao. Carl
Yeah,
D
you
will be there. He's the highlighter. He's the
No way,
highlighter.
no way. Rex Mendoza, my boss, will be the highlight. So, go for it. Sayang. It's not, magkano lang? A few thousand pesos.
Details will be below as well. So,
Alright, go for
enjoy.
it.
So, hi everyone. In this video, we're gonna talk to Carl D again. But here's the thing. This will go beyond real estate. As you all know, Carl D is super successful in what he does, from business to real estate to buying Lexuses to flying business class. Grabe. I don't know. Private jets pa pala. Grabe.
Marvin.
So in this video, he will share how can you have a very, very successful 2020. And ayun, I hope you touch not just about money, not just about success, but everything else in between. Para, ako rin eh, pangarap ko maging katulad ni Carl D, guys. Sobrang yaman. Go!
No. You know, Marvin, it's really, I guess, it's really about capturing opportunities. No? That's something I want to share to your viewers. No? Number one is capturing opportunities. You know, Marvin, it's now November 1. November 1 is creeping around the corner. 2020 is just a few weeks away. No? Christmas season coming. So, if you are the type of person who says, you know, 2019 wasn't that good for me, maybe next year will be a better year for me, you have to capture it now. My strong advice for you, if you want a banner year 2020, you have to start your year not January, but November 2019. Diba? Exciting, Marvin, no? So, yun lang yung advice ko. If you want a banner year 2020, you start your year November 1. So, November 1, you start preparing mentally. What are your goals for 2020? Anong gusto mong baguhin? You know, ako mismo, I have my notebook here. I am a notebook guy. I write
Pwede mo makita yung laman.
Ha? Yeah, very deep yung laman yan. You know what? I'm a notebook guy. I write everything down. My prayers, my dreams, my goals. And it's in different chapter of your life. Kumbaga, one chapter will be work. Another chapter will be relationship with my wife. Anong gusto ko ma-improve with my relationship with my kids, my health, my spiritual growth, my Bible group. So these are all areas of your life na you wanna write things down and capture it. So yun yung ma-advise ko, Marvin, to all your viewers and all the fans of Marvin. If you want a banner year 2020, let's have a banner year, guys, di ba? Next year is very exciting. Let's start it this November 2019.
So, since this is a Marvin Germo vlog, I always have a follow-up question for you.
Follow-up question.
How about for people who this year's just really, really bad? They lost money in their business, either naloko sila or their girlfriend left them. It's just really a bad year. Things are not going their way, or they're working hard, hard, they're working even harder, they're working 10, 11, 12 hours already, but the results are not coming. What do you suggest?
Okay,
Mahirap yun, Carl.
ang hirap ng tanong, but I like your question, Marvin, because in your next 40, 50, 60 years life, you will always have difficulty, you will always have hardships, you will always have failure, you will always have challenges. But maganda pag masanay yung katawan mo na as the failures come, you just learn to go back up again and just keep on going, diba? And that's the best way. So if you had a bad year this 2019, you made wrong decisions, you had wrong relationships, and there's one parang saying that I live by. Tomorrow is a new day. Diba? Today is a new day. Whatever happened yesterday is gone, but today is a new day. And one of my belief also is that God gives us such blessings, such wonderful day. Parang gift ni God sa atin na maganda yung day natin. Let's not let other people stress, little things take that joy away. So that's a principle that we live by. To just really appreciate all the joy that God has given to us.
Now, I'll take it further.
Pa,
Those are for the ones that had a bad year. But
Okay.
what about the ones that have a good year naman na sobrang sales are double, triple, everything is going so well. Parang everything's okay with me naman
Yeah,
now. Eh. What's up with 2020 pa?
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Of course,
Or parang they're hitting everything. Everything's firing on all cylinders. All their goals are being met.
I have this motto that I learned from Josiah Go, one of my mentors. The saying that to be always better than before, better than others, and better than expected. Very powerful. I think this was written by Josiah 1992.
Whoa.
And up until today, it's very relevant to be better than before, better than others, better than expected. So if you had a good year, then make next year better.
Okay.
And then I guess like our family's big why is to be wealthy, to use all your God-given talent so you can be a blessing to others. So mas masarap yung feeling pag you start to flow out na eh. It's easier to live that way na parang okay, I'm gonna do better so I can be a blessing to less fortunate people. Hindi na yung I wanna buy a better car, I wanna buy a nicer watch, that's gonna be hard for you. But if you start flowing out, medyo masaya.
Do you consider this amazing year for you? Is this a good year? Is this a bad year? Is this a so-so year?
Every year is amazing. I'm really surprised. But we started the year having these goals, but God has blessed us with these goals. And what do we do with that? We try to be a blessing to others. So fantastic year for me and my family this year. I've grown in a lot of areas, and especially with my spiritual walk with God. So it's very good.
Okay. Anything else you want to add? That's it na ba?
So just to summarize lang, my
okay,
advice
sige,
to your
sige.
viewers is
Okay.
if you want a banner 2020, don't start January. It's gonna be too late. Start November 1.
Okay, I had a question again based on what you said. So yan,
Smart people always have the
many
questions.
So what do you do? Do you create a goal per month, ganon, or how? Kasi ako, this is how I plan stuff. Meron akong Excel sheet, tas may
Wow.
goal ako. So meron money goal. I want to hit this by this year. I want to hit this cash flow. I want my stock investments to hit at least this much, ganyan. How do you do it? Is it driven by numbers, or is it driven by parang what you feel, parang ganun? How do you set people to plan for 2020
Okay.
also?
I think Marvin, malaking if your goal is in one jar, medyo mahirap eh. Parang you have one jar,
Okay.
pag may 5 item ka dyan, 6 item, parang punong-puno na yung jar mo. You say, I want this amount of money, I want to ganun. But if you split up your jars into like 10 jars,
Okay.
that is exciting. So that's gonna be one of my takeaways right now.
What does that
10 jars. So your goals, number 1, physical goals, health, wellness, fitness. That's 1 jar. Ang dami niyan, dahil pwede mo malagay, di ba? Number 2, relationships. Ang dami mo pwede magawa dyan. Relationship with your colleagues, your boss, your office mate, your parents, your family, your kids, your enemies. Ang dami niyan. Second jar yun, that's relationships. Then you have the productivity part. I want to be productive in this aspect of my life. Next, I want to do something innovative I've never done before. This can be doing this project. So ang dami na naman yan. Another jar will be my giving jar, my charity jar. What do I want to do now? I want to flow out. I want to be a blessing to this group of people. My niche will be ganon ganon. I wanna be an inspiration. I wanna show kindness to a lot of people. Another jar yon. Another jar will be my business. What are the innovations? Another jar will be my social media posts. I wanna be more visible in Facebook and Instagram, di ba? So once you break it out into many jars, hindi na siya as overwhelming as only one jar. And that's a big takeaway, Marv.
Okay, so you segment everything,
Yeah.
then you create your goals based on the jars that you want
Yes.
to do as well.
Yes.
So, can I ask another one?
Wow! Smart people have
Hindi
questions.
naman, what if you're already in June 2020 and you're very, very far from those goals? Do you lower your goals? Do you just shift and do something else? Or you continue to fight for it?
Okay, you know what? A lot of people they lower their goals. They lower their goals because what? What is the root of that? Because you don't want to fail. But you know, I tell you, if you can design yourself to accept failure, then you're gonna be more successful. Diba? Sabi nga nila Jack Ma, nila Bill Gates, diba? You don't learn anything being successful. The learnings are on the failures. So no, if midway June, you're very far from your targets and you double up, you double effort. Just keep your goals, habulin mo. Because you never know, diba? Sabi nga nila, diba, the basketball game is won in the fourth quarter, not in the first 3 quarters.
Wow. So, that's it.
That's it.
Okay, so I hope this video encourages you. This is not the normal investing business videos, but that's you hit it right on, Carly. It's not just about having money but living life to the full. Kasi
Oh, yeah.
anin mo yung pera if you're lonely, and
No,
there's
no, no,
there's
yeah,
so,
yeah.
there's so much talk now
Yeah.
about mental health also,
Yeah,
that a
yeah.
lot of people are parang they have golden handcuffs. They're
Yes.
earning a lot of money but they're not enjoying, and there are a lot of people who feel also miserable as well. So I'll just give one tip also. You have to do you. You have to do what makes you happy,
Yes.
because happiness is still the greatest thing, no? Kasi the reason why you invest is so that it gives you flexibility, it gives you time, it gives you the ability to do things at your own terms as well. So try to find something that gives you joy, na pagising mo every day,
Yes.
you're excited about the day starting, you're
Yes.
excited about your family, you're excited about life, you're not grumpy.
Yes, yes.
If every day you're pulling yourself to do that business or to do that work, maybe for
Yeah.
2020 you have to rethink it. Kasi
Yes.
sayang, you have one life to live. Why do something that eats you up inside? Why do something
Yes.
also that parang every day hirap na hirap ka?
Yes.
So that's it.
That's it.
Amazing words. To make your 2020 amazing, start in
November.
November 2019. So
Yeah.
that's it for now. If you want to contact Carl D, link is down below.
Yes.
I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon.
See you.
Bye-bye.